Today's secret sauce is cleaning up after you screen print. So, does screen and tool cleanup really warrant a secret sauce? It does if you do it wrong. So, what I'm referring to is cleaning your screens, your squeegees, your spatulas or goop scoops after printing with plastisol inks. So, let's start with doing it wrong. Plastisol ink kind of looks like paint. So, why not use paint thinner or mineral spirits to clean up? Those products will actually clean up plastisol, but at what cost? Your squeegee blades can absorb these chemicals, and this will cause the blades to swell and distort and eventually ruin the squeegee. And then there's the screen. Paint thinners and mineral spirits will again clean off all the ink, but they also harden the emulsion on the screen mesh. That makes it very difficult to reclaim the screen, which means take off the emulsion when you're ready to use that screen for another image. So what's the right way? Clean your squeegees and spatulas and goop scoops with a product called Press Wash. Different brands have different names for it, but if you say Press Wash, that's the product your supplier will get for you. It's a very mild cleaner that will dissolve the plastisol ink. On your screens, if you plan to save the image on the mesh for reprinting that same job, you're going to use Press Wash here as well. But don't fill a shop rag with press wash and start washing the screen mesh. That's a huge waste of product. First, card all the ink. Basically, take all the ink off the screen that you can and put it back into the ink container. Leave the tape on the mesh and frame. Then lay a Pellon or rag T-shirt on your platen. Bring the screen down as if you're going to print. You kind of are. You're going to spray some press wash directly onto the mesh and take your squeegee and you're going to pull that ink and press wash right across the screen. You're going to wipe the excess off the tape with a rag. Now you're going to take the tape off, throw it away, spray both sides of the screen with a little more press wash and wipe both sides with a shop rag and you're done. If you're going to reclaim the screen, you're going to take all the emulsion off after you take the ink out. You're going to card all the ink out of the screen, and you're going to also take off the tape, take that screen with a little bit of plastisol still on it over to your sink. You're going to spray an ink degrader on both sides. You're going to scrub with a brush, then hose off the excess. Then you're going to spray that screen with reclaim solution on both sides, scrub with a brush again, then you can power wash all the emulsion off. That's my secret sauce for today.
Thank you.